Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Matt, your virtual Fiery IQ assistant, and in today's video, I would like to show you how you can download the job log in Fiery IQ. So, let's get started. To download the job log, open the Insight application. In the Insight application, click the trend icon. Click the job log icon. Select the date range and click Apply. Select the checkboxes for the collections and individual devices you want to include in the job log and click Apply. Click the toggle buttons for the ships you want to include in the job log and click Apply. Click Configure Columns. Select the attributes that you want to include in the job log and click Apply Columns. Now click Download Job Logged to download the job logged CSV file. Note, only selected attribute columns are exported in the .csv file. And that is how you download the job log in Fiery IQ. Thanks for watching.